Well, hello. It's been a while since I have had a deep download. Not sure why, but I'm just rolling with it. I had one today in the contemplation of the idea of self mastery. You know, that gaining mastery of oneself allows you to take charge of your part in this game of life. Everything in this world that we live in, this three-dimensional plane, is all about cause and effect. One thing creates responses and reactions from the other things around it. And so when we become mastery in self, when we become masters of self, we begin to use our free will to become a cause according to how we want to be a cause. And just to restate that, we begin to create things in the world as we would like them to be. And certainly we know that there are consequences for all of the things that you create in the world. That you don't have control of the things that follow, the effects of what you've created. But you do have control over your cause that you set into motion. That all things respond and react to, and therefore produce outcomes resulting from what you set in motion, your cause. And so that is why control of self is the crux of it all. That when you are not swayed by insults from others, or compliments from others, or money or riches, when you can remain righteous in the midst of whatever is going on around you, whatever people are causing to create, and you stay steadfast with your intended action, your intended cause, then you have gained mastery. And you get to master how you respond to life just by remaining steadfast in being a cause for good, for beauty, for uprightness, for being a cause that outpictures and produces a world that works for everybody. And yeah, it's easier said than done because we are human beings who have fears, insecurities, doubts, some selfishness in there because we do want to have things our way. But part of that mastery is also molding and shaping yourself through your consciousness of always doing things not from a selfish place, but a place for the highest good of all involved. And when you predicate everything that you set into motion, you're going to get good results for yourself and for everybody else. It is simple, but it does take work. And that means meditating on what is truly righteous. Being very mindful of what your intentions are as to why you do certain things. Being an observer to yourself in your actions and interactions through the day, where you note why you respond, why you do, why you behave in certain ways. What's in back of it? You know, are you making your choices from a place of fear? Are you making your choices from a place of responsibility and love? Where are you making your choices? What causes are you setting out into the world? Whatever those are, wherever they have come from the place of fear or from love, that is what they will result in. So we don't want to lie to ourselves and pretend like we don't know. You know. And if you really don't know, just pay attention. Begin to notice. Ask yourself, whenever you are about to choose a response or a reaction or some action in the world, ask yourself, where is this coming from? Is it about the highest good for all that are involved? Or is it just for self? To keep yourself safe or protected from something or someone else? Is it jealously protecting something that you think belongs to you and you're afraid of losing it? Pay close attention to why you do the things that you do. And that's the first step in mastery of being a wonderful cause in the world. Peace and blessings, and I hope you found that helpful. This deep download that just came from the divine Mother, Father, God presence, apparently because somebody needed to hear it, just like I did. Peace and blessings. Until next time.